Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are just stopping by for the first time, I don't typically film in a coat in the garage. I feed stray animals that get dumped off in my neighborhood, and one of the what we thought feral kitty cats was very lovey-dovey, and I captured it and took him to the vet yesterday, and I did everything the vet said. This is like the third video I filmed in here. I let him out of the kennel after the vet told me to, and now he's been hiding ever since in the garage. I mean, I know where in the garage, but he's not coming out. And it's freaking me out. So I have been sitting in the garage off and on all morning filming my beauty content in hopes that he'll get used to my voice and comfortable enough again to come out. We met 3 days ago. I like to move fast in relationships. Here unboxing the ice cream beauty box. Now this is in fact the October box that you all are seeing because I'm behind on things, but that's life, okay? Life be life and so flippin' hard. So between this new kitty cat that I have to keep away from my kitty cat, my kiddo is traveling. By the time you guys see this video, my kiddo will be traveling international by themselves, and I'm a worried mess, but they do know that if my kid needs me at any moment in time, I'm like, I'll be on the first flight out there. Anyways, we're gonna unbox the ice cream beauty box. There is 3 different choices to pick from when it comes to the ice cream beauty box. Coupon code Hotmess is going to save you money on the subscription box for Ice Cream Beauty Box. Now, I've told you guys from the get-go, probably since 2020, Ice Cream Beauty Box is the subscription to have if you love makeup, if you want to grow your makeup collection. The Ice Cream Beauty Box does offer the subscription plan and 3 to choose from. They have the Duochrome of the Month Club. This is only $6.99, and you'll get 2 to 3 Duochrome products each month, and you do get free add-on shipping for existing subscribers. The average retail price for this little $6.99 bag is $30, and this is something that I think is really cute, especially if you are a makeup artist and you know, have weddings and stuff, and the bridesmaids or whatever choose like different sparkly eyeballs. These are always really pretty. Do you guys see the shift? And that is in one of these cute little bags, and I like them too because the cases of these little duochromes are always every month like these, so you're not gonna have like a whole, sorry about the lighting you guys, I mean it's really hard to show the lighting or to show with this kind of garage lighting. I'm pretty sure you guys understand. These are shifty. Look how pretty that is. I've just got you guys rigged up on a table too. Ooh, isn't that pretty? That is beautiful for the holidays. But I feel like these would be really pretty, or if you had a bachelorette party and you were doing makeup, like I feel like this one is like very iridescent-y. The light's not shifting it, I don't think. Oh, there it goes. It's real iridescent-y, but I feel like these would be so pretty on brides or the bachelorette parties, like fun little makeup looks. I think these are fun to add to your collection, and especially if you're a makeup artist, I think these would be a great little thing to have in your arsenal. And if it's for work, then it's kind of like a write-off. All right, next in here we do have the second option that they do offer, and this is the Ice Cream Beauty Bag. Now this is gonna come in at $12.99 a month. It's 3 to 5 beauty products, shipping calculated at checkout, and the average retail price of everything in here is going to run about $50 for the price of only $12.99. I'm telling you, the brain is not braining, it is struggling. So the first thing I see in here is by SpongeBob, and these are blushers. I'm really shocked. I don't know. It's Beauty Creations and SpongeBob. And I honestly really like these colors. This is coming in at $14. So you've already made your money back. Sorry about the lighting, guys. There ain't diddly squat I can do about it. Matter of fact, I don't even have scissors. I am using a pumpkin carver knife thingy from the bucket of stuff that was left sitting here. So, you know, I'm a little MacGyver. All right, let's see. Oh, these are so freaking cute. Oh, I love it already. I was, in my head, I was like, oh, I really hope that's like a peachy shade. All right, it's definitely opaque. It had like opaque, but it blends out pretty. I love that even more. Oh, frick yeah. That's amazing. Okay, I love that. I love that color combo. Blends out together so nicely. Oh my gosh. Okay, I feel like this alone is worth the $12.99. Now, I do believe, and I may be misspoken, so correct me if I'm wrong, please kindly, because I swear to God, with this perimenopause attitude I got going on, you don't know what you're gonna get from me. Spicy, sassy, or sad. So, there's a lot going on in this brain up here. But I love these, and this might still be available, so check out the Eyescream Beauty Bag. All right, next, we've got the Plump and Pout by Beauty Creations. I'm not in the mood for a plump, but if you are, this is running at $7. I don't want to test it out. Oh my gosh, it's actually tinted? Shoot, now I might check it out. I thought it was just a clear plumper. It's in Brat too. I feel like that was a little personal because that's kind of how I feel right now. A little bratty. Oh my gosh. It's like a syringe. Okay, now I have to try it. I don't have a mirror. So far so good. It don't hurt. I was being a little sassy, guys. Sorry about that. All right. I do, from what I can tell, I think I like the shade. So that's nice. Maybe a tiny tingle, but nothing over the top. So that's nice. And then last by, is it Momma Cosmetics Never Ending Lights palette for $19 retail value. So here's the palette. This is a nice full-size palette too. Definitely not like a tiny travel size or nothing. Oh, isn't that pretty? It reminds me of that, starts with an A. I don't even, Aether Beauty, kind of like the setup. So there you go, and this is perfect. That green, my child is dressing as an alien tonight for Halloween. They were looking for that particular shade of green, so this was perfect. All right, so this was only $12.99. That's a heck of a deal. Let's compare to the subscription. Here is the monthly subscription box that comes in at $29.99. It's 5 to 7 beauty products with free shipping, and you're gonna have an average retail value of about $120. Fun fact about this box, this subscription, this is always going to give you a guaranteed palette, eyeshadow palette. This is the one that actually Eyescream Beauty Box started with, the whole you're guaranteed eyeshadow palette in every single box, and that's what made me fall in love with them. And I love the fact that they always have the cards in here that gives you the retail value, the information, and everything. All right, they always package it really well with recyclable peanuts, and the boxes are always stuffed full of goodies. Got our little card, October trick or treat. First thing I see in here is another one of the Beauty Creations Plump and Pout, only this one is in Legally Hot. I am honestly, like, as sassy and pouty pants as I was, I'm really excited to receive another one of these because they're not burning. And they're very comfortable, they're moisturizing, they're hydrating, and that's a fun color. And I feel like, honestly, mixing this color with the other shade, I think I'm gonna love it. All right, so we know that one does have a retail value of $7. Yes, I put it in my coat puff. Yes, I will potentially forget it, but it'll come in handy when needed. It'll be like a little surprise. All right, next in here, we've got something. Oh, ZC Beauty. This is the highlight powder. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute. It looks like, is it Saturn that's like that? All right, so this is coming in at $35, you guys. All right, here's what it looks like. Oh, it's so nice and soft. Yeah, okay. I had stuff on this finger. Ooh, that's pretty. That's actually really pretty. You probably can't see it. Let's do it like this. It's kind of like a champagne-y highlighter, but it's not over the top. Like, even if I go straight in, yeah, it's not over the top. So I like that. I like that a lot. It's kind of a shifty shade too. It's like champagne-y rose. Pink shifts in there. I like that it's not over the top. I kind of want that like glow from within, candlelight look, you know? And again, $35 retail value. Next in here, we have the Charmacy Milano CMC Neon Liner. I was expecting like a little pencil. Okay, this is a fun shifty liner. Fun shade. It's got like a little See the tip on there? Felt liner tip. I won't use it probably, but I know one of my kids will, so I'm not sad that I opened it. This does have a retail value of $21. And the shade, I guess it's just Neo Glow Liner. Oh, 01. All right, next in here, we've got Oil Control Mask, Mo Mattify. Oh, okay, we've got a sheet mask in here. Oh, this has a retail value of $6. Give your skin a spooky good treat. Hydrating mask, relieves tired skin after a long day. This one though, it does say oil control and anti-aging. Calendula flower. Calendula is so nourishing for the skin. If you have dry skin, it's going to be amazing. This is made with 100% biodegradable and antibacterial fabric, so we love that. That was smart. I appreciate that. Next in here, we do have, oh, this is pretty, Aether Beauty. This is a little, oh, this is the bonus crystal infused lip gloss by Aether Beauty with a $14 retail value. Is Aether Beauty still around? I'm not going to attempt that because I'm not going to hurt myself with the pumpkin carver thing. Just know it's a really pretty color. There you go. All right, last in here, we have the Trick or Treat palette by Beauty Moon Cosmetics, $35. Trick or Treat, each palette hides its own Halloween magic, one full of rich, moody shades for mysterious looks. The other is a bursting with candy-inspired colors for sweet glam. No matter which you get, well, I got both. Let me know if you guys got both in your box. This is freaking adorable packaging. I'm sitting on a cement step and my booty hurts like something fierce. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's do the trick first. Isn't that freaking adorable? I'm guessing this is gonna be the Moody palette. Oh, this is fun. Because the reason I say that, oh, this fell off. Okay, you see those white things on there? They fell off. I was like, that's crazy, because I feel like my colorblind kiddos are going to be like, they all look the same. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I could see like a tint of like where it was sitting, the color it was sitting on. And I was like, oh, okay. Just don't talk anymore, Rada. I think you guys can see the stress. I think it's very noticeable. I think these colors are perfect. And I do feel like for shizzles, my kiddo will be using the greens and the green shimmer in here for their alien look tonight. I think that's really pretty fun colors for sure. Okay, how many times can you say for sure, Rhonda? All right, and then we have this Treat palette, which is so adorable. Okay, see, that's what I saw. And I was like, oh, they must shift a different color. That's pretty. I do think I like the other one better. Color-wise, I do like this golden. Oh, look at how fun that is. These are really pretty colors. I can see the candy inspired shades for sure, like candy corn coming to mind. Very pretty. All right, so let me know which one did you pick or which one did you receive. This was a really long video, but hopefully you guys watched it. I would appreciate it because I feel like I will potentially have to take this little boy back to the vet because him not coming out is really making me nervous. Anyways, if you have tips on how to get a kitty cat to be calm, because let's be 100, I'm gonna talk you guys' ear off because right now I need to talk things out. I'm a Gemini, I'm a communicator. All right, so here's the thing with a kitty sugar dumplings, which is our first kitty cat. She's in the house sleeping in my beauty room currently. She was coming around our house for a while, all right, like getting lovey-dovey and using the doggy door, coming in and out and everything. So she had time to like warm up to the thought of, I don't know, no longer being an outdoor cat or something. Anyways, long story long, it was rainy and it was cold and I did not want this cat staying outside, you know? So our garage is like insulated and everything. So even the vet was like, keep him out here for now. There's nothing that he can harm himself with. It's just like, how long are you gonna be scared and hiding for? Because you're really making me freak out. But everything happened so fast with him, with a cutie kitty, everything transitioned slower. I'm just talking out my butt. I'm gonna hop off for now, but thank you guys for watching. Thank you to the Ice Cream Beauty Box for sending over the October everything. I greatly appreciate it. Code Hotmess will save you guys 10% off your subscription with Ice Cream. I've said it and I'll keep saying it. I thoroughly enjoy Eyescream Beauty Box because I do always feel like they put so much thought and effort into curating each and every single one of their boxes, their bags, and coordinating it all together to where it makes sense. Things match, things don't look like afterthoughts, they just seem to work. Anyways, make sure to check out Eyescream Beauty Box's website because you can shop some of their past launches. I am going to edit this. Actually, I'm going to sit here for a bit and then eventually get around to editing this and eventually getting it up to you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, for sharing. I really appreciate it more than you guys know because, like I said, sitting here filming takes my mind off of what's really going on in my head, which is fear for my kid and fear for my kitty kid. So, all right, I love you guys. Until next time, kisses from Kitty.
With you, I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.